Hello everyone, myself Jwala Prasad Chaurasia, a student of Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, second year BTech AIML. Today we are going to solve the 30 days of Google Cloud का event का first track, Cloud Engineering track का second quest, perform foundational infrastructure task in Google Cloud का second lab. So let's get redirected towards our quick labs. So here we are in the quick labs and now we have to see our second or year or tha to we had did this lab earlier. Now we are gonna do this lab. So I will be going on this Cloud IAM quick start. So first of all, I will see some overviews and prerequisites for this labs. Okay, guys. Okay. Now I will start the lab by clicking here. And guys, be very uh, be in a present mind over this lab because we will be having two user IDs. So कभी कभी mashup हो जाता है तो समझ नहीं आता है कौन सा ID है. So it's like that. Okay, huh. So our what will be our next step? So we have to sign in with the in two console with the both of the two IDs. And but the password for both of them are same, right? We have this username one for and username two for both of them. We have to sign in different cloud console. ओके सो फर्स्ट वाला करते हैं पहले यूज़र नेम वन के साथ विच इज़ ओवर हियर ओके एंड इसका पासवर्ड ये है ओके ओके गाइस इट्स बीइंग साइनिंग इनटू आवर क्लाउड कंसोल विद आवर फर्स्ट यूज़र नेम वाला आईडी और इसके पास सेकंड वाले यूज़र नेम से भी हमें क्लाउड कंसोल में एक्सेस करना पड़ेगा. So just do all the steps what I am doing as it is. You so कोई problem नहीं होगी I think so. So I agree all the terms and conditions. Okay, we are signing with our first lab and now with the second one. So I will again go to the cloud console. Okay, and I will copy this username too, and I will use another account and I will sign over here with this. I will copy the password and I will paste it over here again. That's it. And again same formalities for this account also. Guys, don't mash up with both the accounts because sometimes it थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है समझने कौन से यूजर आईडी से है. सो आप थोड़ा सेग्रीगेट करके रखिए. ये लेफ्ट साइड वाला फर्स्ट अकाउंट है और राइट साइड वाला फर्स्ट अकाउंट है. ओके सो मैं इसे यहाँ पे ऐसे कर देता हूँ ताकि मुझे प्रॉब्लम ना हो समझने की. लेफ्ट एंड फर्स्ट है तो ये फर्स्ट वाला है और ये सेकेंड वाला है. ओके इससे भी एक्सेस मिल जाए. And guys, do as it is what I am doing, right? Agree all the terms and conditions. Okay, guys, what are our next steps? We're going in next steps. Okay. Now we have to view something. Okay, the IAM console and the project level rows. We have to return to the username one. So guys, this was my username one wala ID. I have to go in the navigation menu. I am an admin. I am okay. In navigation menu, I am an admin. Here it is. I am okay. I clicked it. Huh. Okay, guys, we are here, and after that, I have to click on add button at the top. Clicking on this add button, and by this, we can see the other roles at the down in the. So from where we can see the role viewer, role editor, role over from this button. Okay, guys. So we don't have to do much over here. So it's like viewing everything. Oh, in this one, in this part. Now I have to click cancel. Okay. Now we have to explore editor roles. Now we have to switch to the username 2. So this was my username 2. So over there I here have to go to the I am an admin wala part. I am okay, guys. running. So we are over here. Search through the table and to find username 1 and username 2 and examine the roles they are granted. So I will search from the here that username 1 and username 2 and which of the roles they are being granted, guys. Okay. So from here we can see that the username 1 has got it the role as a viewer and username 2 has got the role of a editor, owner, viewer, BigQuery admin and app engine admin. Okay. So ये तो हो गया view. Okay guys, now we have to complete a task. Okay, let's get into our username one. We have to create a bucket. So for that we have to go into the cloud storage and browser and click create bucket. We are in the username one wala part. Okay guys. Hmm. So from here I have to create a bucket over here. I will go here. Cloud storage कहाँ है? हाँ, here is the cloud storage and browser. Okay, it's going on and we have to create a bucket in our first wala username ID. Guys, don't be get confused. Okay, sometimes confusing हो जाता है ये, so just don't get confused, be a smart kid. Okay, and okay, update the following field. If you get a username, if you get a permission error, sign out and then sign it. Okay, name. Okay, we will be getting the name over here as a project ID. Okay, I will put it name, continue, and location will be multi-region. Now the bucket. Okay, location will be multi-region. It's already selected. Continue, continue, and we have to change only these fields. Okay, all other fields should be in default position. Create. Guys, we are creating this bucket in our username one wala part. Okay, guys, it's been created. This bucket is had been created over here, as we can see that. So after that we have to upload a sample file. On the bucket details page, click upload file button. Browser computer to find a file to use any text or HTML file will do. Click on the ठीक Okay, I have to see that I have any text file or not over here. Wait. If I am having any text file, okay. If not any text file, so I will simply create text file. कोई बात नहीं. I will simply create a text file. I will open my text file opener. Okay, text file, text editor over here, and I will make a .txt file, sample.txt file. Hey, myself, Jwala, please share the videos to help everyone. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Okay, I will save this folder as name suggests sample.txt in desktop. Okay guys, it's like simply enough steps up and I will save this file. I have saved this file and I will simply go according to the steps and I will upload this file in my bucket. I will see where I have. Okay, it's okay. No, गलत फाइल आ गया. Sorry guys, ये गलत फाइल आ गया. Cancel. I will cancel it. Upload files. I will select this. अरे यार. हाँ, sample.txt. Okay, I uploaded sample.txt which I had created and I have renamed as sample. I have already renamed, so no need to change much. Okay, we have completed our first task. Now we have view project. we project viewer access. So for that we have to switch to the username to console. So this is my username to console and navigation menu cloud storage browser. Verify that the user can see the bucket. Okay, I will be going over here cloud storage browser. Okay, I can see that I have which bucket I have created in my username one is also visible over here. So yes, we have the I have because I was given the viewer ID. Now next task, remove project access. Switch to username on console. This is my username. Select navigation menu. I am an admin. Then click the pencil icon next to the username too. Okay, I am in the username one wala part. From here, I will go to the I am. Guys, don't be confused over this, huh? It's sometime confusing. I'm getting right, and I have to select the username to wala part. Okay, username to wala part was okay. This was my username too. So yeah, so then click on the pencil icon next to the username too. Okay, which has got the viewer access. I will click over here. Guys, जिसमें viewer access है वो username टू है. Okay, so remove project view access for username 2 by clicking the trash icon next to the role name, then click save. Okay, next to the role name. Okay, this is a trash icon and I will click on save. I have removed the access. Guys, you can see that it's gone from here because I have removed the access for the username too. And guys, after that, verify that username 2 has lost access. And now I have to verify that username 2 has lost access. So इसे एक बार देखते हैं. Extend. यहाँ पे दिखेगा ब्राउज़र में. हाँ, I have lost access to view it. Okay, so I have to check this. We have completed our task 2 also. Now our task 3. Add storage permission. Copy username 2 from the Quick Labs connection details panel. So I will copy it from here simply. Switch to username on console. Ensure that you are still there. Okay. Now I will navigate to this navigation menu. I am admin. I am already over here, guys. So from here, I will click plus add button and paste the username too. I will click the add button over here and paste the username too over here, and I will select a role field, cloud storage object viewer from the drop down menu. I will select over here. It's like cloud storage. कहाँ है cloud storage? It's like I will simply search it. Cloud storage. It's like I will basically get here only. Okay, cloud composer, cloud connection, debugger, functions, healthcare, file, schedule, security, cloud services, cloud spanner, cloud storage, and cloud storage. In cloud storage, we have to give some permissions. Cloud as storage object viewer. We have given this as a permission storage object viewer, and I will click on save. And see, guys, again I have got this permission for the username to as storage object viewer. Okay, guys. Now I have to switch to the username to console. You will still on the will still be on the storage page. Okay, I am storage wala page. Okay, click on the activate cloud shell to open the cloud shell command line. If prompted, click continue. Okay, it's in the username to wala part, guys. I have to clicking. I am clicking on this cloud shell. I will continue this. Okay, this cloud is being provisioning. Huh, it's being done. And after that, open up a Cloud Shell session. Okay, I will simply copy this command. And guys, we have kept our bucket name as our project ID. So simply we will copy our project name, our project ID as our bucket name and paste it over here. Copy the bucket ID and simply paste it over here. And what's the next task? Okay, I will enter it. Authorize. So the process is being on, and see guys, we have uploaded a text file over here. You can see the command over here. And after that, as you can see, I have given the username access to username to us, and I will check on this. By this guys, we have also completed our second lab of our second quest, and we have got all the 100 points successfully. And thank you so much guys for watching my video. And guys, I will be uploading the next lab video soon, and please be updated and just see my videos. I will be uploading everything, each and everything, with all the details and all the resources, and just share my video. Thank you so much guys, thank you so much for viewing my video.